Right, I haven't had this going yet. Well, I had it running, but it didn't last for very long, so I've done a few alterations. I've got to get that just right in there, underneath that, there you go. Spot on. Right. Will she run? Will she run? Thinking about it. Yes, she will. She runs. I'll have to reduce the gas. Pleased with that. There was an air leak in this cylinder. There's some adjustment. So that's moving side to side, so it needs a bit of an adjustment. But yeah, she works. Functional. No steam required. Put a graphite powder down there as a lubricant rather than you don't put oil. Graphite powder. So another adjustment here. So I think I've got that flame quite low and it's stopped it racing away. Successful day. Oh, now I just want to make something up so that this pump actually works. What a beauty. It's slowing down. I think this might be because of the gas. Perhaps it's warmed up. Sometimes that flame is going past. It's not directly underneath. It is now. I know if they get to a check, see it's quite warm in here. So if the temperature up the top is getting the same as the bottom, then it will stop anyway. And that's quite possibly what's happened. But anyway, I think that's a success. Turn the gas off now and leave it at that. But yeah, that wasn't running at all. And That fired up more or less straight away now. I just got to try and find out how that worked. There would have been something on there, probably a little eccentric, and a little piston going up and down in there, I think. That's the water pump. They came with a water pump or a fan. This one's the water pump. Anyway, successful mission. Cheers, guys.